for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say.
Hi guys, so welcome back to today's video, and obviously we are on the road. We're actually heading out to Seattle. It's been exactly 3 months since we went to Seattle. The last time we went was at the beginning of December to go and get some dresses from IKEA that I had ordered online. So this time I'm so excited because I don't really have anything particular I need to go buy. Whatever I see, if I like it, I'm just gonna get it. So yeah, I'm just shopping with an open mind. I'm gonna try to make this vlog as exciting and fun as I can, and hopefully you guys are having a good day, and hopefully you guys are enjoying this vlog so far. So we made it to H Mart, and it's actually really dead today, which is a good thing because usually whenever we come here it's super busy. So we're gonna grab some kimchi, and I usually don't really eat kimchi, but this brand is really good. That one looks good. It's fine. Let's go look at the deli food. So we just left H Mart, and we're gonna head to the park and eat our food there. It's a better scenery, it just looks nicer. So today's actually not that cold. It's supposed to be in the 50s, which is actually pretty warm, especially during this time of the year already. Let's eat. So sad to say that some of these dogs have a better life than I do. So we're at the mall right now, and there's quite a bit of people. We're gonna go to Uniqlo, and we'll take you guys along with us. I'll try to show you guys what the store looks like. It's very basic. If you're like me, where you just like to wear comfortable clothing, then it's the best store to go to.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door.
Look at our bubble waffles. I got 2 this time, and they smell so good, and you can tell they're super crispy. I got 2 this time so we can eat one later. And I got my usual winter melon, but my husband actually got a strawberry black tea green tea with lychee jelly. It looks really good. For the first time, he's actually the one trying something different, and I just get the same thing because I haven't found a place that makes really good winter melon milk tea. These are so freaking good.
Perfect, perfect.
It tastes like jasmine tea. Can you pop mine for me? I'm so full. I'm wearing pants today, so I have to unbutton my pants so that I can sit comfortably in the truck because these pants are a little bit high-waisted. I just need to be in comfortable clothes. As much as I want to like try to dress cute, I don't know how other people do it. It's probably because I'm 30 pounds heavier, so things just fit more tight and not as cute, but we're gonna work on that. So I changed my outfit to something much more comfortable. I just got these sweatpants from Uniqlo, so I'm wearing them, testing them out.
Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning.
It's time for us to go get some dinner. We left South Center Westview Mall, and we're gonna go and try out a new pho place. This one is actually near the Walmart that's near our hotel, so it's pretty close. And after that, we're gonna head to IKEA. After we eat pho, we usually feel really like bloated and tired, so we like to go to IKEA and just kind of walk it off and exercise a little bit. Sugar cane drinks last time, but this time we made sure to grab some, and we'll probably be back tomorrow as well. I got a passion fruit sugar cane, and my husband got a young coconut. His actually has like coconut pieces in here, and they have the Sonic's ice, so they're like little pebble ice cubes, which is literally the best kind of ice ever. So we're gonna head to IKEA and just kind of walk off some of the food that we ate. And I feel like we didn't really eat a lot today. So we're finally at IKEA, and my stomach is so full, bloated, uncomfortable, but that's why we're here. We're gonna go walk everything off. Good morning, you guys. So today is Saturday morning, and I thought that the time had already changed because of my husband's truck. It says 8:28, but it's actually tomorrow, Sunday. So it's 10:03 and I'm gonna put in my Jollibee pickup order so that way we can just go pick it up and not have to wait in line. We just got my desk, so we are now leaving IKEA and we're heading to the pho restaurant that we ate last time. The one we went to go try out yesterday was very disappointing. It was okay, but it did not compare to the one we had near 99 Ranch. Normally we don't eat before we leave Seattle, but today I feel like we had to redeem ourselves after our pho experience yesterday. The place was really nice, like the people were really great, but the pho itself just wasn't like great. Yeah, so I feel like I need to have a good bowl of pho in Seattle before I